In 1874, the Daily Telegraph supported the famous explorer Henry Morton Stanley to cross Africa and identify the source of the Nile and other geographical features. 100 years later, the Scientific Exploration Society commemorated Stanley's epic 3-year expedition with one of the largest scientific and medical research ventures Britain has sent to Africa. Also supported by the Daily Telegraph and backed by the Ministry of Defence, the Zaire River expedition was quite a challenge. It's going to be commemorated with a special event at the Royal Geographical Society on the 12th of November, Tuesday the 12th of November, and you will see film of the famous jet boats, the giant inflatables, the Army Air Corps Beaver, and many other epic stories of this incredible expedition. If you want to get tickets, just apply to Eventbrite, and I do hope you will come. And also, join in the raffle. We've got over £10,000 worth of wonderful prizes for the winners. See you there.